If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back everyone to another Pepe update. It has been a while, but I've just been cooling off from the Pepe updates just as Pepe has been doing. Now I'm very aware that this wick is not appearing on the Binance chart and certain other exchanges, but for the MEXC it is. And we saw with this dump, it actually tested this yellow line, and that's of interest for me because if we scale over to the 5-day time frame, we're seeing a very clean return after breaking through the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders pattern. We're just getting a clean retest of the neckline to confirm what was once sending us lower, now to send us higher. And we've got our technical target to the upside over here with the breakout suggesting a move of 130%. From where we are today, there's still a further 114% move. Now, I must say that this is the technical target out of the pattern. This is the pattern on the chart that is suggesting price to continue higher. But please do understand that although the target is here specifically, it's not a suggestion that this will be the top. We need to also use our Fibonacci retracement tool, and that is giving us further targets to the upside all the way up here. Now I'm never going to read these prices with all the zeros, I'm just going to say the actual numbers. So 38143 is where the 1618 technical target is, and so this would take us from today's current price to the 1618, a move of around 190%. So exciting times ahead for the Pepe holders, but understand that if Pepe is setting up for an explosive move right now, you need to understand that other meme coins will pump even harder. What we've been seeing over the past few weeks and month is certain narratives popping off. We've had our bonk. I haven't made a video on that, probably won't. It's having a similar run to Pepe. Of course, it overlapped Pepe. I don't know about right now, but it definitely overtook Pepe. For me, that was a clear get out of bonk right now. It's just like when Pepe initially had that run, it was surpassing many altcoins that have true real world assets, real world use cases, and it was just surpassing them. And eventually, that was the signals where it's like, okay, guys, we're now seeing a meme coin overtaking real world assets, and so it's time for it to pack the bags, essentially. Also Binance listing it as well, and then similar things with bonk right now. And so if Pepe goes up, then all of those will go up, of course, bonk included. But the potential gains, like right now, I don't know about whether the market cap of bonk is. This is not a bonk video, but quite similar to Pepe. So there are going to be better opportunities elsewhere. So just watch this meme coin market for over the next coming days and weeks, because again, going back to the narratives, we're having those narrative plays like the BRC20 token, some meme coins like the bonk going up, and what we're also seeing is on the BRC20 token, some of them are meme coins as well. So it could be that in this next rally up, while Pepe is just confirming this previous resistance that sent us lower, now a support to send us higher, it could be a good opportunity to look into those narratives, the BRC20 meme coins. I do hold some myself, as well as other meme coins as well. So yeah, I do of course have them all in my Discord community. If you want to reach out and join that chat, we do 2 weekly group calls in there, so I teach you my exact strategies as well, on top of all the investments and students sharing their own trade ideas. So use the links in the description down below if you want to join, just as a few people have over the past few days. And so what we are now going to do is scale down to the 4-hour time frame to look at that wick again. And again, remember, I'm aware this is not appearing on all exchanges, but on this one it is. And what I'm essentially seeing is that we're just filling in the wick. So we've had this big dump, scary dump. Now, if you're looking at the chart that doesn't have this scary wick, then you've just seen a dump to this location, and then we've just lost the 55 and continued lower. Whereas when we're using this chart, we're just noticing that it's filling in the wick, which was a retest of the neckline of this bullish pattern anyway. We've filled in that wick. We're now forming this double bottom over here, small one. And so what we now need to see to get these explosive moves going is a reclaim of the 20 and the 55 moving average. We're about to form a crossover that we don't want to see between the 20 and the 200, so we need to form an EMA repel to invalidate that. The only way for that to appear is what we need to see of the moving averages is a failed cross. So they'll continue to be bullish. They will not cross over. The only way to see this happen is a pump to the 55 and then a confirmation of this as support. And then boom, the EMA repels happen. And we should then eventually see new highs higher than this, and scaling back to the 5-day time frame, you can see that is that high. And so if we're seeing all those things setting up for potential move higher than that, then it's the technical target that will come in next. So the 1272, which is slightly beneath the head and shoulders target. However, we can see even going past the head and shoulders target, we still have these all valid, and expecting all of these three to get met, and we would almost be back at our previous all-time high. So if there's over a 100% move to be made on this specific meme coin, imagine the other ones. Meme coin holders, get ready. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls. Or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.